Hey guys, welcome back to another Dos Caminos little short video episode. Now we have our little 305 small block Chevy all put back together and looking good. We wanted to, at this stage, before we put it in the car and seal it up and all that kind of stuff, we want to make sure we have oil pressure, just to save the aggravation. I needed a GM oil pump drive tool. Didn't have one. Here it is. Now, we'll get to how I made this here in a second, but this works fantastic. And good news to say that this engine does have oil pressure. How do I know without a gauge hooked up? Well, me being the genius that I am, made the tool, put the oil in the motor, spun it over, and I forgot I did not have an oil filter on it. So it just came pouring out the bottom. But today we have a brand new oil filter on it, and these take it's a GM PF454 for these little 305s. The PF25 does not work on these. I can also see oil coming up through the lifters and air bubbles and things like that, so I know it's making some oil pressure. Great, but this little tool works perfect. I have it on slow because my little drill device here is completely worn out. If I put it on high, the clutch slips on the tool and it just makes noise. But good news is we have oil pressure. All right, so this is ready to go back in. Waiting for my torque converter to show up, should be like this weekend, and we'll get the whole thing stabbed back in the car. So, put over to the bench and I'll show you how I made this little dude. Like I said, I needed a GM oil pump drive unit. So basically, it was the use of only two tools. This used to be the distributor that came out of Dos Caminos. And you're like, well, why would you wreck that? Well, this was the computer feedback with the computer feedback module and it was kind of seized up. So it was pretty much junk. So all you need to do, because the shaft would hang out of this side, take your Sawzall to it, chop it in half. It only takes a few seconds. Then you take your shaft, which came out of your HEI. See, it's got the little thing on it to drive the oil pump. Take it over to your bench grinder. Grind that down so it doesn't chump on your brand new cam. And voila, you have a GM oil pump drive tool for free. And plus you got some parts. You got a good GM coil, rotor. The module's really useless unless you're doing the computer control. And you can see the status of the computer control unit on an 82 El Camino. If anybody needs this thing, just send me an email. I'll put it down here. And you pay postage, it's yours. They're about 150 bucks on eBay. Supposedly this one is okay. So shipping and it's yours. It comes with pigtail, connector, the whole thing. And like I said, guys, real short video for today. Free GM drive tool thingy that, these burned up HEIs are everywhere. So you can even use a regular non-HEI distributor, same thing. Chop it in half, grind off the gears. Perfect free tool. All right, guys, appreciate it. Appreciate you. Questions, comments, concerns below. Check out the merch, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.